i-revelation manje seyiclear. uJulius Malema is umntwana ka-uncle yami.
He's a demon.
He's an antichrist. He was born an antichrist.
No, I just want to hear.
Yeah, but demon is an antichrist.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
he's
full under the
no,
demon.
answer the question. So Julius Malema is a demon.
Yes, yes.
Also. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Julius Malema is an antichrist, which makes him a demon.
Yeah.
Right.
Ngoba mntana kamama.
Ngoba mntana kamama.
And into ozoyibona ukuthi wena umntana kamama bazokubiza uhlanya. Lunatic, because we are the children of the lunar.
So sangabona amahlanya nje everywhere.
Yeah.
Yabantwana bakini.
Uyihlanya.
Nawe ihlanya.
Yeah, God will to
So
still
you
cover.
mad.
No, I'm happy so far ukuthi siyazi sidile nelunatic yabo.
Yeah, I'm a lunatic.
Ungikhumbuza lo elo mkhulu red la emakarini.
We candidate as a vescopis.
Mara usho wena. Phela
But now le khona kamama le, there is no way bangeke bakubize ngehlanya ngoba izinto ozozikhuluma
from the lunar.